Hello, in this video, you will learn how to add and set up a company in HubSpot CRM. First, you have to go to Contacts, which you can find under the CRM, and then click on that and just wait for it to load. And now that you're here, you should see Create Contact or Create Company. It depends on the user permissions that you have on your version, and if you are an employee or then you will see create contact. However, on the other hand, if you are non-employer, if you are employer, then you will see create company. And then once you have that option, you will have to click that create company button. And then what you have to do is enter the business name, the domain, and other key info. You can also associate contacts, deals, and tasks, and you can use custom properties to track industry, size, or status. And that's all. Please like and subscribe if this video helped.